Hello friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see about how to install and use Proton VPN on CentOS and Ubuntu. So a VPN is an encrypted tunnel which extends over a public network. It allows the users to securely browse and access the resources over the internet connection with privacy and confidentiality. Proton VPN is a high-speed Swiss-based VPN that secures your data such as password using an encrypted tunnel. Some of the features of Proton VPN are it has a full disk encryption on Proton VPN servers, which helps you to secure the data from attacks. And it has a strong VPN protocols such as KEV2, IPsec, and OpenVPN. And it also has the robust encryption with AES-256 for network encryption, 4096-bit RSA for key exchange, and MMAC with SHA-384 for message authentication. It also uses the encryption cipher suites with the perfect forward secrecy, which implies the encrypted traffic cannot be captured and be decrypted later if the encryption key gets compromised. It has a no log policy. Your data and internet activity will not be tracked in Proton VPN. So the Proton VPN provides the numerous server location. It has over 1200 servers spread across the 55 countries. First, we can see how to sign up in Proton VPN. I'll provide the Proton VPN link in the description. So the Proton VPN is available in Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux. So now we can sign up here. In the sign up page, you can see the 4 plans that are available, which is free, basic, plus, and visionary. So the visionary has the more features and has the charges for 24 euros per month. So we also have the free plan, so we can try the free plan. In the free plan, the features are limited to 23 servers in 3 countries, one VPN connection with medium speed. Now we can click the get free. So now provide your username and the password. And the email address. So now select the account verification method, and I'm going to select the email address and click send. Now we have received the verification code in email. So enter this verification code and click verify. Now you can see the Proton VPN client's download link. So the Proton VPN is available for these platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chromebook and Android TV. Now we can see how to install and configure Proton VPN in Ubuntu first. So go to the terminal and install. Now run the command apt install OpenVPN space dialog space Python 3 pip space Python 3 hyphen setup tools. Now give us to download and install the packages. Now the Proton VPN installation on Ubuntu is completed. Next we can see how to install this Proton VPN on CentOS. So to install on CentOS, you need to use the command yum install OpenVPN dialog Python 3 pip and Python 3 setup tools. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. Now the package installation is complete. So to install the Proton VPN client, you need to install using the pip3 command. Pip3 install Proton VPN CLI. Now give enter. Now give enter. Now the package installation is completed. Now we can install the Proton VPN CLI on Ubuntu. So now install using the pip3 command. Pip3 install Proton VPN CLI. Now the Proton VPN CLI installation is completed. Now we can see how to configure the Proton VPN. So the procedure will be same for the CentOS and Ubuntu machine. So I'll be configuring it now on Ubuntu. Now we can initialize the Proton VPN using the command Proton VPN init. So for the Proton VPN username, you need to go to the browser. In the Proton VPN account, you can see the OpenVPN IEKEB2 username. So copy this username and paste it here. Now give enter. Now we need to copy the password. Now we need to copy this password and paste it here and give enter. Now paste it again and give enter. Now choose the plan. Now select the TCP or UDP connection and now give us to confirm the information. Now the configuration is done. So now we can use the Proton VPN connect option to connect to the VPN. So now choose the country to select the server. So I'm going to use United States. Use the server which has the lesser load. So I'm going to use the first server. Now you can choose the protocol as UDP or TCP based on your requirement. So I'm going to choose UDP for better speed. So now we can see the message connected. So you'll be getting the request through the Proton VPN. So I'm going to give what is my IP now. Now we can see my IP address is changed and you can see the location as United States. So in this way you can configure the Proton VPN on CentOS or Ubuntu. In this video we saw how to install and configure Proton VPN on CentOS and Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.